Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to get the groove of like getting these videos in every week for y'all. I know I'm just super busy. My priority right now is like YouTube and school and then work, but you know, everybody has to work. So I hope everybody's well. I missed being back on here with y'all, so yeah, let me just catch you all up on a few things. Like I said, I was going to get a E.L.F product video up, and this is what I'm doing today. I did get some Wet n Wild items also, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. This whole face I have on right now is all done with E.L.F and Wet n Wild products. So, I mean, it came out pretty well. Did also get my lash box today. This is the box I get. It's just like lashy box. It's like $13 and I get like 4 pairs of eyelashes. So here is the first pair, which are really pretty. Then I get this pair. Ooh, those are nice. These are called lollipop lashes. Interesting. They look like little lollipops, I guess. I did get some lash applicator. I got some loose pigment by the company E.L.F. That's all. I'm so excited to do this with y'all. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. So we're gonna start with the eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and use the new eyebrow pencil that I got by E.L.F. It's the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I got the color in taupe. They didn't really have much of a variety. I try to get everything from E.L.F. because I really want to try everything out. So let me go ahead and pop my eyebrows on, and then I'll be right back. So got my eyebrows on. This pencil is pretty good. I mean, it reminds me of the NYX pencil I use. I think it's just a little light for my brows, but other than that, it worked pretty good. So I went ahead and already moisturized my face, and I did use this Hello Hydration face cream by E.L.F. And I've been using this cream like for a week already. I was like, well, let me try it. Let me see. Hopefully it doesn't break out my skin, because you know my skin's so sensitive and it's dry. And so I've been using it for about a week, and it's actually been pretty good. I paid like $10 for it, so I mean, I gotta apply a little bit more than my First Aid Beauty one, but I mean, for $10, it works pretty good, I'd say. So think of this. Let's get into the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the New Classics palette by E.L.F. I have a few different palettes. I just kind of grabbed like the neutral one. Y'all know me and my neutrals. So yeah, I'm just gonna do, just come up with an eye look. I might want to use that powder I got in my lashy box by E.L.F. It's like a loose pigment powder. It's really pretty. I haven't even swatched it actually. Let's do that. It's just like really loose glitter. Whoa, that's a lot. I went ahead and got the HD Lifting Concealer from E.L.F. and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lids. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this concealer brush that I got from E.L.F. Well, this concealer is not the best, but I mean, I guess for like a daily use, if you're like on a quick, trying to get, I don't know, I feel like you would just have to put multiple layers on top just to get like a full coverage. I'm just gonna use a crease brush gonna go in. So here they are. This is the look I came up with. It's okay. I mean, the shadows do blend pretty well. I think I bought this for like $12. $12 and you get 18 colors. $12 for 18 colors? Okay, I take it. Got this primer, Lit from Within. Oh, it doesn't have anything. Nothing. Let's go ahead and try this out. Go ahead and put my primer on. Okay, let's see how it works. Ears on. I went ahead and bought the Flawless Finish Foundation by E.L.F. And I got the color Vanilla. Whoa, that's super full coverage. I'm scared. Do y'all see that? Oh no. It's that primer. concealer is not full coverage.
20 minutes later.
Okay, and I bought this E.L.F HD powder. This is what the powder looks like. It's just like a white powder. It's okay for setting powder. I mean, I just don't know if it's gonna like have flashback. That would suck. It has like a blurring effect. I don't know. That's weird. I don't like that this foundation has left my face like. I bought this bronzing palette by E.L.F. This is the Bronzed Beauty palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Just a black packaging. These are the colors. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna go in with like both of these two. That's like with some of that HD powder. Just clean that up just a little. I went ahead, my bad, sorry. Primer infused blush, Always Rosy is the color I got. This color right here. Pretty. With new blushes, never put a lot on your brush because you never know how it's gonna come off. That's a pretty blush. And the highlighter, I got Moonlight Pearls. This is one of their baked highlighters. These are really pretty. I actually have some of these. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little highlighting brush. I'm like really digging in this highlighter and it's like not giving me anything. What the? I have some of these and they work great. Guess I just got a bad one. Okay, it's okay. So I went ahead and got these on sale. They are the Infallible Paint eyeliners, and I got like, they were like on sale. They were all blue, all blues and greens. This is what they look like, and they are felt tip. So I'm just gonna use one just to show y'all. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna use this teal color. Mascara on. I did get the Mega Slim Skinny Mascara by Wet n Wild. I have been wanting to try this mascara out. It has this very, very super tiny brush. Look at that. It's a mascara. Doesn't like accentuate anything. And I did get these E.L.F lashes. They were like $2.99. $2.99. What the? Well, I'm gonna try these out. Okay, so they okay. I mean, they're for $2.99. I mean, come on. Like, these are just good for like one night and throw them away. I did buy a lipstick. It is the Liquid Matte Lipstick by E.L.F. Sorry. I got the color Tea Rose.
I know how to get a bitch mad on her. Make my ex wanna get it back. That's a fact.
It's okay. I mean, it's a liquid lipstick. Lastly, I have the E.L.F Dewy Setting Mist, the coconut one. Ah! Oh my god. That's intense. I really need to get a fan. So, this is the finished look, which, I mean, I like it. I mean, for on the budget makeup, I think everything was pretty well, other than the foundation not being super full coverage and the concealer not being full coverage. But I mean, it's all like affordable drugstore makeup, which you can't really complain. Everything worked pretty well. The eyeshadows blended pretty well. The blush, bronzers, everything worked pretty well. I liked everything. I have nothing bad to say about any of the E.L.F products. I really like my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Can't wait to see y'all next time. Bye!